Hi, this is Alec. I'm in the Tremont neighborhood of Cleveland in front of this restaurant, Sokolowski's. Great Cleveland institution. If you're from Northeast Ohio, you'll certainly recognize the name. It's been around since 1923, so almost a century of serving Eastern European chip and pepper kosh, pierogies, all the stuff my waistline kind of really likes. But it made news a couple weeks ago when all of a sudden popped up for sale. Not completely shocking given the impact that COVID-19 has had on the restaurant industry. This has been closed since March. But what was a little surprising was the price. This restaurant's 8,000 square feet, sits on 0.65 acres in a great neighborhood, up and coming, hot, trendy neighborhood, kind of right across. If you can kind of see, it has great views of the downtown Cleveland skyline, unobstructed. $2.7 million though, gang. That's the asking price. Now, again, Cleveland landmark, so there's that. A lot of do-re-mi. So that's the first course. Let's go to the second course. I'm now in Brook Park in front of this restaurant, another Cleveland landmark, 100th Bomber Group. So this opened in mid-90s. It was relocated because of an airport expansion. So I'm right across from Cleveland Hopkins Airport. So this was relocated because of an airport runway expansion, rebuilt 1994, 25,000 square feet, sitting on 5.5 acres. Made news last week when it sold at auction. $1.1 million for this restaurant. Again, gang, COVID-19, tremendous impact on the restaurant industry. And I think these two Cleveland landmarks certainly play out just the appetizer of what that impact truly is going to be as we go into the coming months and years ahead. So now you've seen what I see at PVC. Hope you have a great weekend, profitable week ahead. Thanks.